असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Now today we are going to discuss about mean of the given data. Okay, this mean is also called as arithmetic mean. Okay, arithmetic mean or simply mean. Okay, so mean is nothing but average of the given data. So generally how we take the average of the given data? So sum of observations by number of observations. So we divide the sum of observations by number of observations, we will get the average of the given data. So similarly we do that process for mean also. So if I want to find the mean, what we do ma? Sum of observations by number of observations. Okay, right. So suppose if I want to find mean of the one data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, this is the first 9 natural numbers. These are first 9 natural numbers. Okay, this is a given data here. So if I want to find the mean of this given data, so mean is equals to, what is the formula ma? Sum of observations by number of observations. Okay, so what is sum of observations here? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So how many number of observations are there? 9 number of observations here, right? So take the addition: 3 3 6 10 15 21 28 36 36 plus 9, it is a 45. So 45 by 9. So 9 ones are 9 5s are 45. So what is the average of the given data? It means nothing but mean. So mean is equals to 5 of the given data. Okay, this is called the mean of the raw data. This is called raw data because we are taking directly. Okay, this is called raw data. So I have found the mean of the given raw data. This is the way of finding the mean for raw data. Okay, now we are going to discuss about ungrouped data. So the table showing the actual observations with their frequencies is called ungrouped frequency distribution table or table of weighted observations. So this is called ungrouped frequency distribution table ma here. So read carefully here. This is all about ungrouped data. Here the marks obtained by the students and their frequencies. So what is mean by frequency here? So the 10 marks obtained student is 1 member, 20 marks student is 1 member, 36 marks students are 3 members. Like that, these are the members of marks. Okay, so 40 marks students are 4 members, 50 marks students are 3, 56 marks 2 members are got, and 60 4 students, 70 marks 4 students, and 80 marks 1 student, 88 marks 1 student, 92 marks 2 students got the 92 marks. Okay, this is about ungrouped data. So how we found the mean of this ungrouped data? Yes, we have a formula for that, that is direct method. In direct method we found the ungrouped data mean. So what is the formula here? X bar is equals to F1 x1 plus F2 x2 plus so on Fn xn by F1 plus F2 plus F3 plus so on Fn. Here x1 x2 so on xn are the marks obtained by the students, and F1 F2 F3 are the frequencies. Okay, so this we can simplify. X bar is equals to sigma, this is called sigma Fi xi by sigma Fi, or this we can write Fi, we can write sigma fi xi by capital N, or we can use small n also. This is nothing but sum of all the frequencies. N is nothing but sum of all the frequencies. The sigma fi is also nothing but sum of all the frequencies of the given data. Okay, this is the formula we have to use to find the mean of the ungrouped data. Okay, right. So I want to find the mean of this data. Now I am erasing this. So we have to construct a table first. So xi is nothing but marks obtained by students. Okay, next fi is nothing but frequency. This is marks obtained by the students. This is by nothing but frequency. Now fi into xi. Okay, right. So I am going to erase this. So I have to write the data first. So what is the xi given? 10, 20, 36, 40, 50, 56, 60, 70, 80, 88, 92. Now what are the frequencies? 1, 1, 1, 3, 4, 3, 2, 4, 4, 1, 1, 2. Right. Where is this? Right. So we have to do fi into xi. Fi xi is nothing but fi into xi. So 10 into 1, 10, 20 into 1, 20. Now 36 into 3. It means 30, 30, 30, 90 plus 18, 108. Is it 108? Yes, it is 108. Okay. Next 40 into 4 is nothing but 160 it is. Next 50 into 3, 150. 56 into 2, 100 and 112. Okay. 60 into 4, 240 and 70 into 4, 280. Next 80 into 1, 80. 88 into 1, 88. Next 92 into 2. So 92, 92, 184. Okay, this is about fi into xi. Now we have to add all these things here. Okay, sigma fi into xi, it means sum of all these observations here. Okay, so what is the addition of this? So we can add this 30. Okay, first we count the hundreds first. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 hundreds. Once again we are checking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now remaining. So 30, 38, 38, 60, 98, 98 plus 50, 148, 150, 160, 40, 200, 80, 280, 280 plus 80, 360, 360 plus 88, 60, 40, 400, 448, 448 plus 4, 452, 500, 532. So 532 plus 900. So how much it is? 2, 3, 14. 1432 is the sum of the sigma fi xi. Sigma fi xi is equals to 1432 we got here. So once again we'll see 008, 10, 10, 18, 18, 22. 2 carry 10, 18, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 8s 32, 34, 34 plus 4, 38, 39, 44, 50, 53. Okay, 3, 5 carry, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so 14, 32 is the sigma Fi xi. Now we see for this sigma Fi, we have to find nothing but sum of the frequencies. 2, 5, 9, 3, 12, 14, 14 plus 18, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So sigma Fi is the 26. Okay, right. Now we have to substitute the values in the given form, nothing but x bar is equals to sigma Fi xi, nothing but 14 by 32. Sigma Fi is 26. Now take the cancellation here. 2 13s are, 2 7s are, 2 1s are, 2 6s are. Okay, x bar equals to 716 by 13. Okay, right. We'll take the division here. I'm going to erase this. Right. So 13 716. Okay, right. Right. So we have divided 716 by 13. So 13 5s are 65 it is. Okay, right. So take the barrow from here. 11 minus 5 is 6, 660, and it is 6 here. Okay, again 13 5s are 65, 1 is remaining. Take the point here. So 10 is smaller than 13 again. So take 0 here and 1 more 0 here. And 13 7s are 91, 9 is remaining. Okay, now enough for this. So 55.07 is the mean of this data. Okay, right. This is about the finding of mean by using direct method. Okay, for ungrouped data it is. Remember that thing.